Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 WPM for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana subordinate court exam. Ready and start. The present suit has been filed seeking permanent oblique perpetual injunction restraining the defendants from infringing the trademark of the plaintiffs along with passing off and other ancillary reliefs full stop. The plaintiff number 1 Volvo, plaintiff number 2 Volvo trademark holding, plaintiff number 3 Volvo Car Corporation and plaintiff number 4 Volvo Trucks Corporation bracket hereinafter collectively referred to as the plaintiff bracket clause are companies incorporated under the laws of Sweden having their core business in transportation and automotive sector including the business of manufacturing spare parts, accessories and ancillary parts for vehicles full stop. Plaintiff number 1 is a world leader in heavy commercial vehicles such as trucks, buses and construction equipment as well as in drive systems for marine and industrial applications full stop. Plaintiff number 1 is stated to have established a flagship company namely Volvo India Private Limited in India in 1996 full stop. Plaintiff number 3 produces and distributes a premium range of cars that includes sedans, wagons, sports hyphen wagons, cross country cars and SUVs with the mission to be the world's most progressive and desired premium car brands with a strong commitment to safety, quality and the environment full stop. Plaintiff number 3 launched two car models that is Volvo S80 and Volvo XC90 in India in September 2007 and carries own business in India through its subsidiary Volvo Auto India Private Limited full stop. Plaintiff number 3 has been a leader in the automotive car segment for decades with a diverse range of premium SUV and sedan cars, electric, non-electric, catering to customers in the luxury segment in India. Full stop. Volvo Cars experienced a robust growth in 2023, with a 31% increase in overall sales, delivering over 2,423 cars full stop. The name oblique mark Volvo also forms a conspicuous and prominent part of the corporate names of various companies forming a part of the Volvo group including but not limited to Volvo Auto India Private Limited, Volvo Group India Private Limited, Volvo Financial Services within bracket India Private Limited and Volvo CE India Private Limited full stop. Extracts from the website of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs illustrating the said fact are filed with the list of documents filed with the plaintiff full stop. Both the plaintiffs number 1 and 3 manufacture goods and provide related services throughout the world under the trademark and trade name Volvo full stop. The plaintiffs are stated to have commercially launched their first Volvo bus in India in the year 2001 and have over time introduced technological advancements which have developed the transportation economy and redefined bus technology in India. Full stop. Over. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी 80 WPM की। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर कंटेंट्स लाइक दिस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।